What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get started creating your store on Ecwid, which is a great platform on which you can create your e-commerce store for free. So I'll show you how to create your store on Ecwid as well as how to get products for dropshipping on your e-commerce store on Ecwid. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's ecwid.com. You'll land on their landing page right here, and if you scroll down you can view some features and an insight of the different features and services that the platform offers, as well as some benefits. And to get started or to start creating your e-commerce store, you can click on get started here for free, or you can log in if you do already have an account. So I'll click on get started for free here. And here it asks me some basic info like my name, email and password, and I can also sign up with Apple, Facebook or Google. However, I'm going to sign up here with email, so I'm going to enter my name, email and password and then click on set up your store. And here it's like loading up my control panel, and then it'll start setting up my store. Okay, and here it'll ask me some simple questions and some details to fill in order to customize my experience. So here it'll ask me to enter a store name. So let's enter test store, since we are creating a store for this video. Okay, let's close this pop-up. And now it detects that my location is in Egypt. Okay, I'll leave it as it is, and the currency is in Egyptian pound. Then click on next. And here it'll ask me to enter my city, my state, and my zip code. So let's say I'm in Cairo. The state is in Cairo. The zip postal code, I'll just enter. Okay, and then click on next. And then it'll ask me some questions. Do you already have experience selling? Let's say I'm just getting started. What type of products will you be selling? You'll choose the type of product you'll be selling. So if it's pet care, like automotive, health and beauty, jewelry, like accessories, subscription-based services or products. So for me, for this video, let's go with health and beauty. And are you setting up a store for someone else? Nope, I'm setting a store for myself. Then click on next. And it'll ask me, do you already have a website? If you don't have, don't worry. I'll click on no because I don't have a website, and it'll create or set up a free website for me. I'll show you in a second how to access it and edit it. And here it'll generate a custom URL for me. I can edit it here if I want to. However, I'll leave it as it is. Then click on next. Okay, it's already taken, so let's add some numbers. Okay, next. And now it'll ask me if I want to subscribe to a plan. They have three plans right here, three paid plans right here to choose from, and you can view the benefits of each plan. However, for this video, I'll just go with the free plan. So I'll create a store, and here it'll load up my main dashboard. And here they tell you that you have these steps left to complete to set up your account. So here you have created your account, and then you have the option to set up your website and a storefront. So they give you a website, an e-commerce website, to start selling your products. So here I'll click on set up your website and storefront. Okay, and they give you options for templates that you can choose to start with. Okay, so here you can choose the template that you see best suits your business, so your business type and stuff like that. So here let's say I want this template, and you can also view templates on the topic of your specific business type. So for me, I'll click on health and beauty here to view templates related to health and beauty. Okay, and here are the templates. Now, okay, I like this one, so I'll click on use template. Sorry, it's written in Arabic since it detected my location, and I don't see the option to change the language. However, I'll click on use template right here. And you can preview the template. That's the second option right here. So here Okay, and here you can edit pretty much anything here. So these, when you scroll over a section, it'll go automatically to this section's settings, or the part. So this is the header and menu. If you click on it, you'll go to the header and menu settings right here. So here you can change your logo. This is my logo. I can change it right here, and I can also change like the menu items right here. I can add contact info. I can add files and so on. So here I can change the design. So they give you many designs right here to choose from. So this is good enough. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the customization settings for your website, since it can take a long time to customize it. However, I'll need to go to the store section. Here, if I scroll down, they give you like the products that you are selling right here, and click on the product settings right here. This is the product settings. And here they give you some, these are the sample products that are on the template that I chose. However, I'll show you in this video how to add your own product with dropshipping. So if I go here and add a new product, I can add the image, product image, the name, SKU, and description, and everything. So there isn't like an automatic way to add products from like dropshipping or sellers such as Amazon and stuff like that. So the best way is to use an app in the App Store on Ecwid. So let's go to apps and app market. And in here, I want to search for dropshipping. And here it'll give me some apps for dropshipping. I'll choose anyone that is free and has like high ratings. So this one is free and it has relatively high ratings of 4.2. And here I have, you can view others. However, many are paid. So I'll go with the SUP dropshipping. And here I'll install the app. Okay, install again. Okay, and then I'll just go to the dashboard. Okay, and what I need to do is, of course, here the Ecwid test store, it automatically connects to my Ecwid test store. And here just click on SUP right here. And then it'll get you to the page where you can view your products here, the products here on SUP. I'll just close this pop-up. And here you can see categories, you can see different products. So here, let's go to the winning products right here. And let's scroll down a bit. Okay, let's go with this product, like this vacuum sealing machine. Okay, click on it. And here I can view the details, I can pre-order, I can buy it now, or I can list it to my store. So I'll list it to my store. I'll list the product to my store right here. And it'll give me like a pop-up where I can list it to my test store, which is connected automatically, the test store of Ecwid. And here I can see the price and the cost and the shipping fee. And of course I need to enter a price which is higher than the shipping fee plus the cost. So like $13 plus 9. So let's enter like $40 for this example. So to get a proper profit, and then click on list it now. Okay, now it should be listed. Now if I go to my Ecwid store here and then go to like my catalog and view the products and scroll to the bottom, you can see here that the product that I added from like the SUP dropshipping is now added, and it's going to be added to my store where people can click on it to purchase it. And of course I'll get the price difference as a profit. So that's how easy it is to create a store on Ecwid and add dropshipping products to sell on your store.